Your mouse cursor just froze. You can't click, can't move, can't do anything. Don't panic. This happens to millions of people every single day. And in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to fix it, step by step.
Let us start with the fastest fixes first. First, restart your computer. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then click the power icon and restart. Second, check if your touchpad got disabled by accident. Press FN, plus the touchpad key on your keyboard. On Lenovo it is F5, on Asus it is F6, on HP it is F9, and on Dell it is F7. Third, if you use an external mouse, try a different USB port or replace the batteries.
The number one reason your touchpad stops working is that it got disabled in Windows settings. Here is how to check. Press Windows key plus I to open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, then find touchpad. Make sure the toggle is turned on. Also, check this option. Leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. If that is unchecked, your touchpad auto-disables every time you plug in a mouse.
The most powerful fix is updating or reinstalling your mouse and touchpad drivers. Press Win X and open Device Manager. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your touchpad or mouse device. Select Uninstall Device. Check the box to remove the driver. Then restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh driver on boot. This fixes about 70% of all cursor freeze issues.
If your touchpad stopped working right after a Windows update, you might see an I2C HID device error in Device Manager. This is a very common problem, especially on Lenovo, HP, Asus, and Acer laptops. Here is the fix. Open Device Manager. Go to System Devices. Find I2C HID device. It probably shows a yellow warning icon. Right-click and uninstall. Restart your laptop. Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically.
Here is a trick that sounds weird but works surprisingly well. It is called a power drain. Shut down your laptop completely. Unplug the charger. If your battery is removable, take it out. Then press and hold the power button for 30 full seconds. This drains residual static electricity that can interfere with your touchpad sensor. Reconnect everything and turn it on. Many people report this instantly fixes their touchpad.
If nothing else worked, your touchpad might be disabled in the BIOS. Restart your laptop and press F2, delete, or escape during boot. Look for a setting called Internal Pointing Device or Touchpad. Make sure it is set to Enabled. Save and exit. This can happen after a BIOS update or reset.
If none of the software fixes worked, let us talk hardware. First, check for a swollen battery. If your touchpad is physically raised or bulging, stop using the laptop immediately. That is a fire hazard. Get the battery replaced. Second, the touchpad ribbon cable inside your laptop may have come loose. This is common after drops or repairs. Reseating the cable costs $5 to $15. Third, if you use a wireless mouse, USB 3.0 ports can cause interference. Move the dongle to a USB 2.0 port.
Let me make this super simple. If your entire system is frozen and caps lock does not respond, restart your computer. If the keyboard works but the mouse does not, try the touchpad. If the touchpad works but external mouse does not, it is a USB or Bluetooth issue. If neither works, boot into safe mode. If the mouse works in safe mode, it is a software conflict. If it still does not work, it is likely a hardware problem.
To prevent this from happening again, keep your mouse and touchpad drivers updated. Use a grounded 3-prong charger instead of a cheap 2-prong one. Avoid plugging USB 3.0 devices next to your wireless mouse dongle. Run Windows Update regularly to get the latest driver fixes, and keep Task Manager handy to kill resource-hogging processes that cause cursor lag.
If this video helped you get your cursor moving again, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below telling me which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.